Welcome to Maroon Talk, a segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fim Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Hello, I'm Lucas Fernandez, batch 2020 from UP Diliman.
Hello, I'm Renee Isabella Esteban, batch 2021 from UP Diliman.
Hey, what's up, guys? We have the team captains of the men's and women's. How do you call it? Tennis teams? Kasi may men's and women's, but how do you call yourselves? Varsity tennis team? Ganun ba?
We established at the start of the season po that we're calling ourselves the UP Maroon Tennis Team.
Okay.
And
Kaya ganun yung ano.
we are
Okay.
identified as one team lang, not men's or
Ah,
women's.
okay. This is, this season lang yan. This 87 na established.
Apo, sir. Yeah.
Pero before, what were you guys? Hiwalay na ano,
Hiwalay
men's
talaga
lawn
po.
tennis team yata and women's lawn tennis team. Tama?
Yes
Okay.
po.
Now, kaya pala ganun yung Facebook nyo. So, you guys are the UP Maroon Tennis Team. Tama? Yun na yung official.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Official name.
Sounds good, sounds good. And to those who don't know, they actually sold merch uh, before the season started, aka this one. It's really nice, no? So, to those who actually bought and supported the team, thank you to you guys. And of course, I'm pretty sure na etong proceeds really helped them in the season 87, no? Okay, Lucas, Bella, I want to start off with, kasi, I mean, tennis is a popular sport. However, here in the Philippines, it's not really, and if you talk about UAP, it's not the main sport that people know of. Okay, so I just want to start off with the tournament format for UAP. How do things work kapag UAP tournament na for tennis? Anyone can explain. Doon muna tayo magsimula.
Um, Okay, sige. I'll explain. Yung format niya, sir, is best of five matches siya.
Mhm.
Composed of three singles and two doubles matches. So basically, you have to win three of those matches to be able to win the tie.
This is per game day.
This is per game day,
Okay.
sir. So there are five matches per game day.
Mhm.
Obviously, best of five, so you have to win three to be able
Okay,
to win the tie.
I see. So ganoon siya. So you have, sorry, kumpleto ba yung team sa tennis? Is it 8 teams?
FEU po, wala.
If yung wala. For both to, men's and women's.
Yes po.
Okay, so yeah,
Ay,
yeah.
women's pala,
Yeah,
may
so
ano.
women's po, wala kaming Adamson and UE. So
So you guys,
five
there's
teams.
6 teams sa women's.
I know five po.
Five.
So yes,
FEU din wala.
FEU din naman.
Okay. Then you guys get 2 rounds as well. Or
Sorry.
um double round robin, like basketball, double round robin.
Ah,
Yes.
same
Double
po,
din.
two rounds din.
So for the men's, you get 12 games, tama ba?
12.
12 games. So for the
12.
women's, it's
Oh,
10. Tama ba ako? That's my mathing. Okay. Okay. Now, and upon doing my research, the men's team lost twice only. Am I correct? Against NU and UST ba?
uh,
During the
ano,
eliminations.
during the eliminations, we lost twice nung first round.
Mhm.
And then, twice din nung second round. So we ended the group stage, the round robin stage, with a record of 8-4.
At third.
As third place.
Okay, correct.
Yes.
Tama. For the women's naman, is it the same? You guys
Um,
finished third at the end of the
yes,
eliminations.
third
Yeah.
po. Dalawang palo din, then dalawang panalo kami.
Okay.
Same.
Sorry, such a noob. I'm such a noob in terms of ano. Hey. Pero I want to hear from you guys naman. Heading into 87, how different were both teams coming from season 86? I mean, did you guys expect to be in the final for this season? Or was it a totally different campaign from 86 heading into 87? Let's start with the women's muna, with Bella.
Okay. Sa amin po, dahil alam namin na mas lumakas yung UST and NU. So, medyo parang halos lahat ng teams is magkaka-level lang. So, like hindi kami nag-expect masyado
Mhm.
ng finals. Pero, ayun, happy kami na naka-third place pa rin kami. Like season 86.
For the women's team, ano yung composition team yun? Mas marami bang rookies or mas marami bang veterans this season?
I know po, isa lang dumagdag sa amin na rookie.
Hmm.
May isang dumraduate lang din last year and then, yun, pinalitan lang din. So, halos same players lang
Pretty
lahat.
much intact kayo sa women's, no? Okay, how about you, Lucas, for the men's team?
Sa amin, sir, I'm gonna be honest. Medyo mataas yung expectations
Mm.
namin coming into season 87 kasi we practically, in my opinion, won the recruitment that
Ah,
year in terms of yung rookies na nakuha namin. We got 5 rookies who got into the lineup because of their level of tennis. So usually in other sports, siguro yung rookies sit out the first season muna or the second. They play during the latter parts na. Pero sa amin, rookies pa lang, all 5 got into the lineup. And there are only 10 players in the lineup. So, they took up half of the space of the lineup. So, sobrang ganun sila kagaling. Ganun yung belief ng coaches namin sa kanila. So, we had high expectations. So, from 5th place last season, we went to 3rd right now and almost making the finals. One game na lang pero we fell short. So, ayun, medyo masakit.
I see. So half of the team pala ng men's ay bago. And with that, despite them being new, you guys had really high expectations from them. So yeah, you guys faced in you nung Final Four, uh,
Mm-mm.
upsetting them in the first game. Tama ba?
Tama,
How do you
tama.
call the games? Game pa rin siya.
Game, yeah.
Game
Or
day.
match up or match.
Oo,
Ganun.
oo. So, it, this was recently, like last Sunday ba? Saturday. Over the weekend.
Sunday lang. Sunday lang po actually.
Yeah, oo. So, actually, hindi pa pala tapos yung season. The finals are set, I think, this weekend. And so, in terms of awards, wala pa individual awards na in-award. Eh, no? Kasi I think they awarded during the finals or after the season.
Uh, After the finals na sir kasi
Mm.
they want to see the remaining performances pa, the remaining matches.
Yes.
Pero they mostly award the like MVP, Rookie of the Year sa teams that make the finals. So,
Oo,
ayun.
oo, oo. Okay, so we can't really talk about that yet. But who knows? Some of our players might get into it.
That's good.
Probably. Di ba? Uh, talking about that interesting point na half of the men's team pala ay bago. Where did these players come from mostly? Or magkakasama ba sila or hiwa-hiwalay?
Hiwa-hiwalay sir. We parang nagtiyaga lang kami sa pag-recruit last year. And also with a bit of luck on our side, medyo na persuade din namin yung players. We have one from Cebu, one from Mindanao, actually two from Mindanao, and then one from Ilocos Norte. So they come from all around the Philippines, like around the Philippines talaga. So it's nice also to see how they're bonding well from coming from different provinces. So, ayun, saya ng team ngayon. Sir.
So don't be afraid to drop their names. No? I'm pretty sure the people want to know who they are.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So we have si Cookie, si Raymond Goko. He's from Cebu, Bogo, I think, Cebu.
Oh.
Uh, and then actually nakalimutan ko yung province ng iba. I just know the two players from Mindanao, si Miguel Iglupas and si Aslan Carbonilla.
Mhm.
Yun, ang kukulit ng rookies, promise sir. Like, ang saya nila kasama. And we also have si Ava Mandak
Mhm.
from Ilocos Norte. And
Okay.
then, ano, sino ko ano,
Yeah,
Marami.
may kulang ba?
Ano,
Parang wala naman. Pero yeah,
si
interesting. From all over pala talaga, no? Not Manila-based schools.
Sir.
Sila, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Yung the
Okay,
guy I
okay.
was missing is actually my brother. Kaya ako nakalimutan. Yeah, yeah, he's my brother. He's from QC lang. Yeah, we're from QC.
Where you guys go to high school?
Ano siya, international school, Manila Waldorf School sa Timberland.
Okay, okay, I
You're
see.
familiar, sir.
Okay, see.
Yeah.
Interesting, interesting. For the women's naman, Bella, you guys are intact.
Yes.
Um, wait, sorry. Do you guys have the same coach? Isa lang coach nyo for both
Yes.
teams. Ah, okay.
Yes.
How do you guys train? Sabay?
Sabay po. Yes.
Do you guys practice every day?
Nung off-season, sir, sabay po kami. And then, um, nung on-season na, kasi may matches din yung men's,
Hmm.
times a week sila. And sometimes, hindi kami sabay-sabay pag weekend. So, meron times na hindi rin po kami nagkakasabay sa training.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
pero before, sabay.
Pero you guys have, yung lineup for the season is 10. Pero I'm sure yung sa pool nyo, mas maraming players yan. Tama ba? So, all in all, for men's and women's, ilan ang total na ano? For Maroon Tennis, ilan ang total players? May idea ba kayo?
Uh, 27 ang ano
Ah,
ko, sir. So 14 for men's and then 13 sa women's. Tama ba?
so not
Tama.
that much. So talagang kayo na yun pala.
Yes, sir.
Unlike yung mga football na sobrang dami nila, di ba? Sa pool. Is
Dami.
it the same with you guys na kapag upcat passer, more or less nasasama niyo sa team? Kasi hindi kailangan ng baas eh, di ba? Or talagang konti lang talaga yung tennis sa UP.
Uh, mostly sa team namin, Sir Vaas,
So mostly
yung
baas people. Okay.
talaga. Like, super bihira lang yung upcut and then
Yung magta-try,
magte-tennis.
mag-walk-in, ganyan. Okay, so mostly baas. I see. Um, okay, let's talk about more about the season. No? So, I think right now, I think for both men's and women's, UST and NU yung medyo angat. Tama, at least the season. Tama, correct me if I'm wrong. Tama ba yung nakita ko sa standings? So, mostly sila,
Tama.
no? Has it been like this before? Or parang, di ba parang hindi naman? I think Lasal, for a time, was dominating. Then, sino pa ba? Kwento niyo ako, guys. Go ahead.
Sir, you said batch 2010 ka.
Yeah, yeah.
I think LaSalle was dominating at that
Yeah, di
time, sir.
ba? Oh, that time. Pero when you
Yeah.
guys came in, sino na yung ano? Sino na yung medyo... Ito na ba? Ito na bang teams yung medyo malakas?
So,
Cap,
women,
yun lang, sir.
women's, sir, yes po.
Hmm.
Ay, actually, yung UST, parang umangat din sila
UST.
last last season dahil din sa mga recruits nila.
Yung mga nakakalaban nyo ngayon, kalaban nyo na ba sila before, nung kahit nung bata pa kayo nagsisimula na? Sila rin to.
Age group po.
Pero when you guys were growing up, saan kayo naglalaro back then? Manila din ba kayo dalawa?
I know, from Nueva Ecija po ako. From,
Okay. So how did you guys get into UP? Paano, ano yun? Did you guys get recruited or walk-in din naman? Sorry,
nag-try out, sir.
try out. Did you have any
Yes.
other choice na schools? O decided ka na pure UP lang?
Nag-try din po kami ng ibang school.
Same with you, Lucas.
Sir, I got recruited
Mhm.
I have, yun nga, you mentioned na yung mga nakakalaban namin, even my teammates, we all
Yeah.
grew up together sa age group. So, may friends ako from UP who parang sinuggest ako sa coach. And then, yun, the coach pursued me at that time back in 2020.
So you guys are graduating na ba?
Uh,
More or less.
I personally have, we both actually have one more year next
Oo.
year.
Mhm. So you have one more
Hopefully.
playing year. One more playing year.
One more playing year, sir.
Same with you, Bella.
Ano po, meron pa po ako.
Ay,
Three,
2021 ka pala, no?
ay, ano,
No,
25?
kasi pandemic, walang UAAP, so we didn't get to use,
Hindi counted yung years nun.
hindi
Same
counted.
with
So,
the... Oo pala, for
nagka-season kami
pandemic, kaya rin nag-resume ng ano, pang tennis.
20, 2023, 2023,
Season 85.
5.
85, yes sir.
So, kumbaga yun yung rookie year nyo pala.
Yun
Both
yung
of you
rookie years.
guys. Oh, both of you guys.
It
So,
was funny kasi most of the I mean actually almost all of the players back in season 85 for tennis, almost all, siguro around 90% are rookies kasi yun nga, they
sabay-sabay.
just
Oo.
play sabay.
Oo nga. So, right, 87 was your third playing year, correct?
Yes sir.
Third na siya. Agad. Okay. Grabe, no? Oh, wait. So, pandemic freshies pala kayo. Ah, kita naman yung age gap. It's a decade apart. How was it for you guys heading into the team, heading into the school habang pandemic? When did you guys actually start training with the team? Kasi 2020 tsaka 2021 yung student number niya. Kailan kayo na face to face kumbaga with everyone?
Season 85 lang din, sir.
Doon na mismo, 2023.
Pwede na po lahat bumalik sa campus.
That was the only time you guys met each other.
Personally, pero we
Yeah.
would have Zoom trainings,
Meron na.
at home Zoom trainings lang, which were not fun
Yes.
at all kasi Zoom lang, walang interactions na ano. We were just working out. So, ayun.
Y- You guys, that was hard. Uh, as a team, I can't actually imagine na as a, kahit pa paano it's a team sport, you could say na, kasi you guys are a group eh. Hindi siya yung pros na isa-isa lang talaga kayo. Having that type of experience especially as a freshman, as a rookie, it's different to head into a school na bagong-bago ka, yet you expect to be trained at a high level, but then again, the pandemic came. So lahat online, lahat ganyan. How long did you guys take to sorry, 2023, di ba? So you guys started training for 85 nung first sem pa lang, gano'n ba?
Yes, sir. Kasi second sem yung
Yung
season.
tennis. Oh.
Yeah.
So was that enough time for you guys already to get the chemistry in before February pa rin ba yung ano nun, yung start of season nun?
Yes, yes
How was
po.
that for you guys?
It, uh, I mean, I think we didn't have a choice talaga. If it wasn't enough time, then we didn't have any choice but to adapt to the chemistry that we already had when February came. So, ayun, it was still a lot of time actually na those ilang months ba yun? August, around
Yeah, mga
six
ganun, mga ganun.
months, mga ganon. It's still a lot of time to get to know one another. So I think okay naman siya for us.
And how was 85 for you guys? What was the output nung 85?
It was good for us. It was, no, no, no. We were fifth pala.
Fifth.
Pero yung women's had a way better experience, if I recall correctly.
Parang sobrang memorable sa amin ng season 85 kasi wala, parang rookies lahat. Then, hindi namin in-expect na makaka-silver din kami. So,
Silver. Okay. Okay. You guys faced sino nung finals for the women?
I guess NU pa rin po.
NU. Sila talaga. Medyo umano pa talaga sila.
Medyo parang, ano na may dynasty yung NU when it comes to tennis sir, kasi yung recruitment nila din, tsaka yung coaching staff, of course. We have to give them the credit that they deserve. They have a good culture of coaching and yung attitude ng players.
I would suppose this is fairly recent. Siguro nung sumabay with the success of their volleyball team, siguro. I mean, I can speak for experience kasi medyo mas bata pa talaga ako eh. Pero yeah, ano nga to? Yung, we can't not talk about yung bagong tennis court sa UP. Doon na ba kayo nagpa-practice ngayon for the season?
Nung,
Or hindi,
nung,
bago lang pala, kaka-open lang pala nun.
nung off-season, sir, doon po kami nagka-training.
Yun na. Mm.
And then, nung malapit na po mag-start yung season, more on, nag-training na kami sa shell court, dun sa end courts. Kasi yung surface po ng courts sa Rizal is close dun sa shell courts.
Elvis
So,
Rizal.
hindi sir actually. Hard court din siya, semento. Pero yung timing niya, I'll explain it for the people
Go ahead, go
who
ahead.
uh, who are just starting to learn about tennis. Yung surface basically is different. Shell court yung pinapracticean namin.
Yeah.
Pero since yung surface sa Rizal is considered a slow hard court, uh, mas closer yung timing ng shell court dun sa Rizal na surface kesa dun sa new tennis courts namin, which is considered a fast hard court.
May ganun
So
pala.
it's
Okay.
easier for us to adjust to the timing and the bounce of the ball if we practice sa shell.
Really? Okay. Makes sense. So you're saying yung bagong court sa UP, is it similar to like kasi nag-tennis ako kanina. Is it similar to a basketball court na semento type? Ganong klase or
Um,
mali
yes,
ba ako?
sir.
Ganun siya.
Similar, yeah.
So yung sa Rizal,
Sa Rizal, it's
or more like lupa yung ano niya, yung bounce, ganun ba?
uh,
Bola.
it's called the True Flex court
Ah,
na parang yung surface niya medyo softer
mhm.
and mas magaspang. It's not smooth na
Mm.
like a basketball court. May ano siya, may parang it's
Yeah, yeah,
grainy.
yeah.
Ganun,
Gets,
that's how
gets.
you describe it. Yeah.
And that's, bago lang yun sa Rizal, right? Or dati na ba siyang ganun?
Dati pa siyang ganun, sir.
Dati na siyang ganun. Okay. Pero how about you guys? Where do you prefer playing on? What type of court? Personally, yun nila.
Ah,
Um, sa akin, sir, ako hardcore kasi, yeah, doon ako lumaki. So,
Okay. How about you, Lucas? Same?
ako naman, but I used to prefer dun sa Shell Courts kasi that's where my home court is, Quezon City Sports Club.
Okay.
Pero recently, since nasa UP ako, puro practice kami sa hard courts. Nakaka-adapt and adjust na rin ako sa hard courts and I'm starting to like it a little more than Shell recently.
Oh, sorry, I actually tried pala yung hard court dun sa, ano ba tawag
Sa
dun sa UP, ano?
CHK,
No, no,
sir?
the other one, yung sa Luma.
sa
Ah,
airport.
Eng courts,
Yeah, the
engineering
end
courts.
courts. So, iba siya from Rizal. Hindi siya yung ganun, na hard
Iba,
court.
iba sir.
Oh, okay, now I see.
Mas mabilis yung sa Eng courts.
Mhm. Okay. So, mas low end siya.
Sir,
Yeah. Kasi semento lang talaga eh, di ba? Semento with paint.
semento lang talaga sir.
So, talagang matigas siya. Okay. Okay. Okay, sige, since we're here talking about that, uh, I tried playing sa Eng courts. During the exact same day na Alex Ayala was playing her last match dun sa Miami
Miami.
Open. Miami Open. Okay, so I thought I was gonna get a quick waiting time dun sa I mean, I was anticipating na maraming tao pa rin doon. But um you guys can explain to those who want to play in UP or get lessons, where do they go? How do they start? Sinong hahanapin nila doon? Anyone could.
Usually, if they want to start playing tennis, you just go to the UP Diliman Tennis Club and when you enter, merong
Ate.
nasa table si Ate Rose or Ate Marivic.
Yeah.
Sila yung nasa table usually depending on the shift or yung oras nila doon. And they guide you through the whole process. Usually may pila yan, especially if wala pang araw, the sun is still not out. That's when all of the players want to play. Yung patay oras usually around 10 to 2, around that time yung mga maiinit na. That's when you can get a court easily.
Mm.
So, but if not, then may pila, you're gonna have to wait an hour maybe. Yun yung average. But they usually give you a recommended trainer,
Yeah.
which you have to pay for, and also a ball boy if you need one. If gusto mong mabilis yung pag-pick up ng bola and training ka agad. And ayun, usually if you're a beginner, you start with yung maraming bola. They feed you balls tuloy-tuloy so that you can get a grasp of yung whole motions ng tennis. Pero if not, then meron ka rin option. If hindi ka beginner, meron ka rin option to rally with a trainer. So, ayun, it depends on your level. You can tell them naman.
They actually paid 650 yata for an hour. Kasama na doon yung ball boy and
And
coach.
train,
Court. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
coach.
So, unlike the other courts here in Manila na hiwalay pa yung bayad sa court and trainer, dito, uh, parang all-in package na siya. And, but then again, compared to other courts din in Manila, medyo siksik. So, if you, again, as Lucas mentioned, medyo marami talagang tao. So, yung court is actually hati pa into uh, two sessions. Kumbaga, so you're in one side of the court and there's another group or person on the other side of the court. But then again, it's UP. Sanay tayo dyan. No problem. Okay. So again, yung mga gusto mag-join, mag-try ng tennis. Sa end courts lang pwede, di ba? Yung sa CHK hindi pwede. For PE classes siya ginagamit, right?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Sa, eventually ba ano yun? Mag-open up for the public or tingin nyo ba?
As of now, we're not sure kasi yun nga, for PE classes and for us varsity players lang
Mm.
siya. Uh, pero wala pang signs as of now if mag-open siya for public. So,
Pero for you guys, saan kayo mas madalas tumambay? Sa Eng or sa CHK?
ano, Cap, do you wanna answer?
Go Bella.
Okay po. Sa amin po, sa Engworks po. Kasi,
Talaga?
yes, yes,
Actually,
doon po kami nag-start
mas
before
sanay kayo
mag-okay.
dun, kumbaga.
Yes po.
Oh, I think may mga varsity teams din na nag nag na pumalo when I was there from the women's team. So, mukha nga mas doon ang tambayan nyo compared to the CH. And siguro nga yung CH kasi medyo malayo-layo. So, in terms of classes, kung doon ka tatambay, medyo mahirap pa
Um,
rin umikot, di ba? Kaya yun siguro. Okay.
Na,
Ano ba? Guys, let me know. Ano pa mga dun? What else can you, or siguro moving forward na lang from 87. What can you expect from both, from Maroon Tennis heading into 88? Before you answer that, aside from UAP, meron ba kayong ibang leagues din na sinasalihan before heading into UAP in the next year?
uh, I personally have tournaments lined up also, sir, kasi during the season, obviously naka-focus lang kami sa UAAP. It depends on the player, pero I personally like being active sa tournaments and kasi may ranking points that we have to, keep up or uh, go higher here in the Philippines, yung national rankings.
Mm,
So,
okay.
ayun, we have to be consistent with the tournaments that we join. I have an upcoming tournament in Butuan next month, sir. So, ayun, I try to keep active pa rin, even during the off season para, may experience pa rin and may pressure, everything's still there.
Pero this is ano, hindi siya as a team. This is individual.
Individual siya, sir.
So ganun ang style sa inyo. Okay.
If I may lang din, sir, kanina kasi you mentioned na uh, during the UAP, team sports din siya.
Mhm.
And I also just want to mention yung sport ng tennis for the people who are
Please,
listening
please.
din na
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
kasi mostly tennis is really considered a lonely sport. Like you are by yourself, you grow up as an individual. You just have your family, your coach, that's it. Pero in terms of players, you don't really get to mingle with them as much as like basketball or
Yeah,
volleyball
yeah.
players.
Oo, oo.
So that I think that's also an interesting part about our sport is that we're lonely up until collegiate tennis, wherein we uh, form a team
Mm.
wherein yung kami-kami rin that we grow up together, and then it's interesting na yung the players that we competed against as kids we're in one team right now. If not,
Yes.
sa kabilang team sila, nasa kabilang school. So it's interesting na we go up against for example, yung last match ko in the UAP, I went up against Jules Lazaro from NU. He is a I trained with him for 2 years actually. So we have a good bond together. So that was so fun for me na to go up against him. We were 13 or 14 years old training together, and now nasa UAP kami as what 20,
Opponents.
22, 23 year olds. Like almost 10 years later competing against one another. So that was a great experience talaga for the
I
both of us.
see. Okay. Pero growing up, I mean, as school-based, hindi pa rin siya ganun type of tournament. Mostly individual talaga siya na when you guys, I mean, when you guys were growing up playing tennis, mostly individual, ano siya. Dito lang sa UAP talaga nagkaroon ng team competition ba?
Yes, sir.
I
Kaya that's why it's
see.
so fun yung format. It's fun for us kasi it's different.
Kasi it's like golf, pero wala lang sa UAP yung golf. But then I see the similarity. Okay, now I understand. Okay, thank you, Lucas. Actually, that's the point of this episode. We want to know more about how tennis is in the Philippines. No? So, how about you, Bella? Is it the same for you guys?
Sa women's naman, sir, pag off-season, parang halos lahat po kasi sa amin is from Visayas and Mindanao.
Mm.
So, halos lahat din umuuwi. So, kanya-kanya muna ding
Oo.
training, ganyan. And then, yung mga naiiwan sa campus for mid-year, kami-kami lang din po nagti-training. So, yun. Then, start na ng group training pag may classes na ulit. Start ng first sem.
I see. So, okay. So, ganun pala ang style. So, talagang UAAP lang yung team setup of a tournament for you. Well, usually double singles lang kasi pag tournament sa labas di ba? So, hindi siya talagang buo na gano'n. Okay. Pero if we were to, on that argument, yung sa USNCAA ba, ganun din ang format ng tournament? Similar to UAP style?
It's a bit different yata, sir, from what I heard of. Same na team sport siya, but then iba yung, for us kasi it's three singles, two doubles. Sa kanila yata, mas maraming matches, I
Ah,
think.
pero more or less,
I
ganun
think
din yung,
more or less ganun din yung style, ganun din yung,
okay, I see. Interesting. So,
yeah.
ganun pala. Okay, so again, Bella, Lucas, thank you for being here. Siguro let's just end with what can we see what can we expect from both teams? I know it's a year from now, pero season 88 ba lalampasan niyo na yung bronze finishes niyo for the next season? How about you? Go ahead, Bella.
Sir, nakikita ko naman na sa team namin ngayon na after nung nakalaban nung this season, bawi talaga kami. Na gusto namin bumawi kasi um, parang nabitin din kami and may mga alam namin na may mga hindi rin kami nagawa. And of course, gusto namin na mag-train more kasi alam namin na kaya namin na mas umangat pa. So yeah.
Mostly intact pa rin ba yung ano, yung team heading into 88 or
Yes po, I think. Pero may mga, parang medyo maraming mga dadagdag po sa women's. Yes. Pero may isa lang kaming graduating. So yeah,
Hmm,
isa lang papalit din.
exciting. Sige. Antayin natin 'yan. Cap Lucas, how about for the men's team? Are we gonna go for the Golden 88?
That's the plan, sir. Kasi being so close this season made it so much more painful in a way na gigil na kami bumawi agad. Pero I know it's still a year from now, so we have to calm down on that part for now and ilalabas namin yung gigil na yun pag balik na sa training. So, knowing my boys, knowing yung teammates ko, yung vibes nila ngayon medyo yeah, like I'm not afraid to say malungkot talaga, like medyo down sila ngayon. uh, Knowing we were so close made it so much more painful. So, ayun, I'm expecting na gigil kami mag-training to prepare for the season 88 and yun, medyo exciting agad. Even though kakatapos lang ng season, I'm really excited for the next one.
Yeah, I mean, for both teams, diba, finishing third, coming off the pandemic. You guys mentioned you guys were fifth, ganyan. So I'm guessing this is really a good step towards your goal. So, and I'm really congratulating you guys for putting UP Tennis on the map, actually. Shout out to Jason Reyes as well for creating those amazing photos of you guys this season. I think that's one factor na, nagbigay ng exposure sa Maroon Tennis, no? So, yung paggawa ng social media following or like exposure put you guys on the map. I actually wanted to watch your games. Ang problema ko lang talaga, ang aga nung sa Rizal. And
Yeah, sayang, sir.
diba? So,
Um,
nag actually schedule kasi weekend siya, diba? Usually, you guys had your games on Saturdays
right.
and Saturday mornings at that. And actually seeing the crowd from ewan ko lang kung Final Four lang yun, pero was it like that the whole season na maingay, maraming tao nanonood? Or nung semis lang yun?
Cap.
Um, sa amin, sir, mas maraming nanonood at nagsusupport talaga this season. Una pa lang. And
May Pep
then,
and all di ba? May, ando si Pep Squad, di ba?
yes, yes po.
Mhm.
Tapos, I think dahil din sa OASD, and then yung
Yes, 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 yes.
party classes na mga nagsusupport, and um, yung org na UP Friends, Dennis May,
Mm.
yeah, ayun, nagsusupport din sila.
For us naman, sir, mas pili yung depending on the amount of yung build up ng match up. For example, if yung match up namin is against yung part of the final four like UST and UUE, yun yung mga that's when a lot of people really come
Yeah.
in support kasi they know it's gonna be a good match up and on. So pili lang depending on the matchup, but it like si Bella said, sobrang daming credits namin, like we're super grateful this season for like UP OASD, yung UP Fighting Maroons Club,
Mm.
yun, yung org also na Tennis UP. Like sobrang laki ng exposure ng tennis compared to the last few seasons.
Yeah, I was gonna ask. Oh. So ito na yung medyo talagang di naman spoil, pero nabigay ng suporta yung tennis team. And
Yes.
look at the result, di ba? They brought in a bronze result, both women's and men's. And that, again, it goes to show na it is a step towards the right direction. No? So,
Right.
before we end, guys, I'll let you guys do your thank yous, your messages to your teammates, to your coaches, to the supporters of this season. I'm pretty sure you guys have so much to thank, people to thank. Let's start with you, Captain Bella.
Um, ano pwede masimupas ulit?
Pwedeng umiyak ka, okay lang umiyak dito.
Diba?
If you're ready. If you're ready.
Nakakaya sir.
Go ahead, go ahead. Anyone can
Sige, ano, actually, we didn't get the chance to do this, sir, kasi hindi pa kami nagsa-celebratory dinner, but I'm sure that's when we'll get to do it. But for now, gusto ko muna mag-thank you sa lahat na nag-support during the UAP. First of all, yung obviously I want to start with my parents kasi sobrang ano nila grateful ako sa support nila whenever I need them. They're always there, never been absent ever in my life, even though it's starting to get annoying. So thank you, mom and dad. And also syempre sa coaches, sa dalawang coaches namin na at tatlong coaches namin na ano super sipag always. They guided us all throughout the season. Coach Jacob, Coach Brian, and Coach Anjo. Um, I also want to thank our PT, the one that's taking care of us, our bodies, getting our bodies ready for yung grueling 3-hour matches na ginagawa namin. Also taking care of any minor injuries. Also, syempre, yung nabanggit kong social media platforms, OAST, UP Fighting Maroons, uh, UP Fighting Maroon Club, Tennis UP Org, UP Diliman Tennis Club. I hope I'm not forgetting anything else. Pero sobrang grateful kami kasi this season na feel namin yung love, yung support nyo, and your passion for UP Tennis. And sana next season maibawi namin mas umangat pa kami in the podium, not just bronze. So yes, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Very well said, Lucas. Go ahead, Bella. It's your time.
Okay, ang katulad na sinabi ni Lucas, syempre una, sa teammates ko, thank you kasi nandyan kami lahat for each other. Kahit men's team, ayan, sobrang naging strong yung bond namin together kasi ngayon lang kami nagkasama-sama sa trainings, off-season, on-season. And then, next is yung PTs, ayan. Nagsasacrifice talaga sila gumising early. Nandiyan sila sa lahat ng games. And yung mga interns din sumasama. Of course, yung OASD, yan, and yung mga social media, um, mas nagiging exposed na yung tennis dito sa UP because of them. Um, and then yung volunteers din ng OASD na wala, andun lang din talaga sila to help. And of course, sa coaches, dahil wala, sobrang saya lang na hindi sila nagbigay ng pressure sa amin sa games. And andyan lang sila to lift us up and manalo matalo. Ayun, masaya. So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. Again, as Lucas mentioned kanina, the team is still down kasi nga coming from that loss nung weekend. But I would tell you guys na we are proud of you guys. Any team any team representing the Fighting Maroons coming up with results, we are very proud of. So, again, as we mentioned nga kanina, you guys are growing towards the right direction, and I'm pretty sure sooner rather than later, you guys will get that championship na you guys have been wanting and looking for. So, again, if you guys still don't know, the UP community is behind you guys. And siguro you guys mentioned it as well na parang this season nyo talaga na naramdaman yung suporta from alumni, from the student communities, ganyan. So, again, go all out, just go go spread your heart all out on the court, and the results will follow. So maraming salamat sa UP tennis teams for making us believe grabe rin yung talagang nilabas yung puso this season. I mean, kita kahit yung highlights lang nung ano yung NU semifinal game, kita agad na the potential is there. It's all a matter of when you guys will get that success talaga. So maraming salamat to our team captains, Lucas and Renee for for joining us this morning. Also, quick shout out lang your student manager, I think si Bea Ongkiko for making this possible. Or hindi ba, thank you ba sa kanya? I'll let you guys do it first.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry kay first of all, sorry kay Bea, nakalimutan ka namin sa ano. But thank you for all of your efforts. Babawi kami sa iyo sa pag-celebrate and yeah, thank you for all of your efforts. Sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat. Uh, Sana you get to decide na mag one more year ka pa sa amin next year. Wala na mag-manager. Kasi we really need you and we're gonna miss you if you're not gonna be the team manager next year.
Okay na, Bel.
Oo. Yeah, sobrang thankful kami for Bea kasi sobrang naging malaking help siya sa team. And then, wala, sobrang nakikita lang namin yung effort niya, na-appreciate namin yung effort niya. Nag-show up talaga siya sa lahat. Kahit sa sideline, sa court, kahit, ewan ko kung naiintindihan niya yung games, pero wala, nandyan lang siya, nag-cheer, nag-push. So, yeah, thank you, Bea.
Salamat, Bea, for making this possible. Also to, yeah, as I mentioned kanina, Jason Reyes. Um, yeah, again, I'm really happy na nabibigyan ng exposure yung tennis this time. Especially you guys. Especially you guys, especially Lucas kanina, telling us the situation of how things work in UAP tennis. No? So those things na hindi namin alam as noobs, as tennis noobs. We're really happy to have the knowledge now from coming from you guys. No? And dun sa mga gusto mag-try ng tennis, again, going to the end courts, I'm pretty sure these guys are approachable. No? So if they want to know more about the game, know about the team in itself, malay nyo, may mag-sponsor pa dyan, di ba? Feel free to approach our varsity players ng Ipo Maroon Tennis. I'm pretty sure they'll be more than happy to help out, to help you guys out for the game. No? Okay.
Thank you.
Again, congratulations to you guys, UP Maroon Tennis team, Captain Lucas, Captain Bella. Thank you for sharing your time. We are proud of you guys. Don't forget that. Laban lang tayo. And as always, UP fight. See you guys on the next one. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. See you.
Thank you po.